Hi guys, welcome to my video. So guys, today in this video, we're gonna walk through how to apply to a tourist visa to travel to the Republic of Gambia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply tourist visa for any country, it's always advisable that first of all you check if you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, purpose, and duration, you may or may not need a visa. And if you determine that yes, you indeed need a visa, then you should always check the requirements as per the mission, consulate, or embassy, whichever is covering your region, because they based on that office, you may have some additional requirements and steps to follow, including documentation. So, guys, in front of you, I've opened this Embassy of Republic of Gambia in um, this is in Europe. Okay. Now in Brussels. Now you need to do as per your location. So they have like visa application section, and they accept on Tuesday and Thursdays, and submission timeline also they have given. Okay. And they have given the form here, so you should print and fill, because if you ask them to print it for you, they will charge you €5. So that's you like more than the than you spend if you do it yourself. Okay, and it takes minimum 48 hours, and you are advised to submit at least before 10 working days. So more than 2 weeks, you can say. Okay, around 10, 2 weeks. All right, before your travel, so that they can do it for you. Now, let's see. This is the form. So your photo is gonna go here. It's very simple form: surname, your gender, first name, other name, date of birth, place of birth, present nationality, address, marital status, telephone number, profession, place of birth. This very simple form. Purpose of visit, the date of entry, port of entry, name of hotel, inviting person, wherever you're gonna stay, and then signature and date. Now below they have also given the checklist also. The passport must be valid for at least 6 months. Photocopy of the residential permit if applies. Photocopy of the border page of passport, proof of domiciliation, hotel reservation, okay, where you're gonna stay. Two recent color photograph to be attached to the visa form. Two duly completed application form with the same ink and in block letter. So this application form needs to be filled in duplicate too. A copy of proof of payment of €50 as the visa fee to the embassy bank and is non-refundable. Okay, they have given the account details. Should be submitted at most 60 days after payment. Okay, so the payment validity is 60 days. Okay. Anti-malaria vaccine highly recommended. Yellow fever. Full okay. All right. Entry clearance to whomever necessary cannot be guaranteed in less than this. Perfect. So in this way you can do. Now, if you really want to see that if you need a visa or not, they have given the link where you can see that whether you need or not based on nationality. So that's how simple it is, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. So make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and please let me know how you feel about it. Thank you.